Hey everyone, welcome. I'm so excited that you've decided to start this course. Welcome to our first real section. The title of the section is called How Interviews Work. As you can probably guess, this section is non-technical. We're going to talk about a variety of different topics in this section, but basically at a very high level, I'm going to help you get interviews and tell you what to expect. We're going to start off in this section by polishing your resume. You're not going to be able to get a good interview unless your resume is pitch perfect. And I'm going to give you all the tips and tricks you need to ensure that it catches your interviewers or potential employers' attention. Next, we're going to update your LinkedIn and we're going to communicate with various different recruiters and apply to various different jobs on LinkedIn. Your LinkedIn needs to be completely up to date. It's got to have all the buzzwords and keywords in there, and you need to be well connected in order to increase and maximize your chances of actually getting interviews. Then I'm actually going to give you all of the known methods that I personally know of to get interviews. That will include cold calling and reaching out directly to recruiters, finding their emails, applying online, getting employee referrals, etc., etc. After that, I'm going to just give you really from a employer side, from an interviewer side, which is what I primarily did for 4 to 5 years, what we are looking for in a candidate, what's important to us. Specifically for electrical engineering roles, what are we looking for? After that, I'm going to give you a rundown of the typical electrical engineering interview process from the very second you apply all the way through the phone screens and the on-site interviews and the take-home exams, the offer negotiation, etc., etc. I'll walk you through that entire process. By the end of this section, you should be able to confidently go out there and apply for electrical engineering positions. You should have a good understanding of how to get interviews in the first place and what the process is going to look like for a typical electrical engineering position. After this section, we're going to move on to only technical sections. After all the technical sections, at the very end, I'm going to include another non-technical section where we will talk about behavioral interviews. And then I will also walk you step by step on how to negotiate your offer and what an offer even looks like and how to deal with rejection. So I'll see you inside the rest of this section. We're going to start off with polishing up your resume in the next lecture. See you there.